Greetings. We are about to demonstrate the power of Kyopa techniques in original Taekwondo. Kyopa is about how you transfer the energy from your body to a solid object, which is a board will be similar to a bone on your body. So at this time, we're going to try to break this board in a very short distance. It's like beyond 1 inch punch. Is the power of you transfer your energy through a very short distance with your arms straight, which is a very difficult skill to achieve. Normally this is done with a double support, but we're going to try to do this with one support. Master Jackson is going to try to do this, and we have been training for that. So let's see if we can achieve and break this board. Yes! Very good. Excellent. Fantastic. Okay. Excellent. Very good. Okay.